How you doing, everyone? Gearhead Abe on this winter February 2025. A little update on the Firebird here. Basically, I was out late October driving this thing really hard, really pushing it. I was driving it aggressive that week. And as soon as I was gunning it down the street, I let off the accelerator. And when I came to a stop after doing that, the car just backfired at least 6 times. Sounded like a 12-gauge shotgun going off. It went pa, 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 really loud through the exhaust. And it happened right when I was pulling in here. And luckily, it happened right when I was home. So basically, it backfired like crazy. And then it started running really bad, really rough. It would idle, and then eventually it would putter out and die after like 5 minutes of just idling rough. So I knew something. I'm thinking it's something in the ignition system that messed up. And this is what I think it is. I pulled out the distributor, and it just looks horrible. I think this is what malfunctioned, I'm hoping. Because, I don't know. I just really suspect this is it. This is a remanufactured distributor that was installed like 7, 8, almost 10 years ago, I believe. And it's just really bad. It's probably really fouled up internally. So I got that one, and this is the one that's going in. This is an MSD model. Here's the part number. Hold on, I want people to see. It's PN8366. This one looks a lot better. I'm gonna change the module out for a Davis Unified one, because I don't trust that one at all. I'm really finicky with these modules, I'm telling you. Brands do matter when it comes to that. See, here's the... It looks nice. Look at it compared to this garbage right here. I mean, this one is like... Here, we'll turn it the same way. Look at that, night and day. Just a beautiful piece. So, guys, let me know in the comments what you think. Do you guys think that this is the real problem? I mean, I did swap out and put a new map sensor. This is an auto, what do you call it? AC Delco. That was like 50 bucks. I just installed it because I figured that is a drivability issue problem if that map sensor fails. So it could be that symptom too. I don't know. I'm just changing the map sensor and the distributor. I had this one sitting in my bedroom brand new, like for 4 years, or no, 3 years now. And I'm like, time to put it in. I'm glad I had it on hand. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think that that's what happened? Did the distributor fail? Possibly? Coil or more? I mean, I'm changing out. I put new... Well, I changed the spark plugs. I'm going to change the wires because I got new ones. New distributor, new coil. And I'm really hoping that that solves it, because I mean, we all know when you have a backfire issue, you know, generally it's like a spark issue, like ignition. Not always, but this is what I'm really thinking. So, yeah, I don't know. I really need to get this thing up and running because the gas is from October in this car. I didn't have any stabilizer in the tank, so I have to put it in there. And the Corvette's sitting in the garage here. The daily for winter. Gas is awesome. It's like $30 for like a week of driving or more. Compared to this is like $70 a week. But it's worth it. But let me know what you guys think. It's kind of good to see it out of the garage. It's been sitting in the garage since October. Oh, let me get a view. God, I miss it. The There it is. I'm probably gonna finish this up tomorrow because I can't stay out much longer. I have to do stuff. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, this is really unfortunate that it just backfired like that. I was so stunned when it happened. I was like, come on, what the hell? But this has to be it, guys. Look at this garbage. Alright, keep the video short here. Alright guys, this is Gearhead Abe. Thanks for watching, and more later.